We only carry Bolt battery as a lithium option. We're an electric cart company, founded in 2008. We've been a family-owned and operated business, specializing in low-speed vehicles for sale, for rent, as well as service and repairs. We have 3 locations: Santa Rosa Beach, Inlet Beach, and Panama City Beach. We're kind of a one-stop shop for somebody that's looking for either a golf cart or a low-speed vehicle. We have a very low-pressure sales environment. We're kind of more like consultants. So when somebody walks in, we're not trying to push just one brand on them. We've got multiple brands that are in different price range and maybe have a good, better, best philosophy. Golf carts are different, features and benefits are different. Some people like more utilitarian. Some people where we live, we have second homeowners that rent their home, so they may just want it for investment, just to rent with their home. So they don't want something, real nice. They want something that's budget conscious that they can rent with their vacation rental. And then we also have, full-time residents that want something a little bit nicer that they're going to use in their daily lives up and down our scenic highway, beaches. We only carry Bolt battery as a lithium option. And what really excited us about Bolt early on was their battery management system is so robust. And I can put that battery in any cart, not just, let's say a club car or an EZGO or a Yamaha, but I can put it in a cart that has higher amperage controller and motor. I don't have to carry 2 or 3 different batteries for different models. I can have one battery for all models, less inventory, and I know it's going to work on anything I put it in. People love the reliability. They love the power that they get when they retrofit with that battery. They love the green color, the color-coded cord, the always be charging letters on the plug-in that always reminds them to charge. The meter is super easy to read, and they know they have a great warranty. You got 5 full years and another 5 prorated, so you got 10 years of full coverage, total coverage. That really gives them peace of mind because it is an investment. And we've been through other lithium companies through the years, and this has been the most successful relationship we've had with a lithium provider. I've been real happy with the customer service Bolt has provided us, whether it's, just deliveries, ordering on a Monday and receiving on a Wednesday. At the end of the day, the customer's looking at us, not Bolt Energy, and Bolt's really representing Electric Car Company very well.
Join Bolt Energy USA today and power your future with the best lithium battery solutions on the planet.